you when you called me on the phone. Is everything all right? Are you worried about the commies dropping the bomb on us? Oh, or did you see another one of those spooky films with the itty-bitty green spacemen? Golly, they're so cute. I remember
Judy, please. Listen, I need to ask you something. Something personal.
What is it, Dory? You can tell me anything. We're best friends. Neighbors, after all.
Listen, do you ever feel empty with your life? Yes, this life here's wonderful, but do you ever feel like there's something better out there for you?
Oh, Dory, my good old doctor said I had the same problem, and he knew.
Wait, problem? I never said.
All you need is mother's little helper. Here!
I knew it.
What's that? It's your key to sanity and relaxation. It's the Milltown pill. Trust me, darling, it'll become your best friend. More so than diamonds.
Thank you, Judy, but maybe you should be going.
Okay, well, if you change your mind, just give me a ring.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs. Jensen.
Now, class, today we are going to be doing something somewhat different than many of the other activities we have done lately. Today we are going to review some of the guidelines you must know before you marry. These rules are the very key and foundation in leading a stable married life. Now, read pages 35 to 37. There it will explain what is key in being a good homemaker.
Okay, Sally, try to keep an open mind. I mean, it really can't be that bad. Remember what Mom said. Besides, it's almost the end of the year. Might as well get this over with. Don't ask him questions about his actions or question his judgment or integrity. You have no right to question him. A good wife knows her place? This is wrong.
Miss Thompson, do you want to add something?
Mrs. Jensen, don't you find this sexist?
How is it sexist, Sally? I mean, don't you want to get married once you get out of here and have a life actually worth living?
And besides, divorce is not an option unless you want to be completely miserable.
Oh, I can just picture my Prince Charming right now. He would have the looks of both Jimmy Stewart and Cary Grant. Oh, I just melt. What I would do for a man like that.
Don't you people see how wrong this is?
Miss Thompson, would you rather be rotting in the field than living off a piece of stale bread? That's what the commies do to their women.
With all your cruising for a bruising, I think you might be one of them